Security threats evolve every day, and so should your defenses. Introducing the new and upgraded Excelitte AI Robotic Penetration Tester. Now smarter, faster, and more comprehensive than ever. In this latest update, we've expanded the platform with powerful new AI-driven testing modules, deeper analysis, and a more intuitive workflow designed to help you uncover risks before attackers do. Let's take a look at the enterprise version in action. We'll run a full scan on an example domain to show you how the new modules work together to give you complete visibility across your digital footprint. This update introduces a wide range of new testing capabilities designed to give you deeper visibility and stronger protection across your entire digital environment. The new modules include SQL Injection Testing, uncovering hidden weaknesses in how your systems handle data; cross-site scripting, identifying unsafe input points that attackers could exploit; CSRF Checks, ensuring important actions can't be triggered by unauthorized sources; access control testing, confirming users only access what they're meant to; authentication and session analysis, strengthening your login and identity flows; cloud configuration checks, highlighting common misconfigurations across major cloud platforms; email security validation, checking SPF, DKIM, and MARC to protect your domain from spoofing; OSINT Discovery, revealing publicly exposed information about your organization; secret scanning, detecting leaked credentials in your repositories; privilege escalation and lateral movement checks, exclusive to enterprise deployments, helping you understand how attackers might move inside your environment. All of these capabilities work together seamlessly to deliver fast, intelligent, and highly accurate security insights without any manual effort. Once the scan begins, the AI robot automatically maps your domain, discovers hidden assets, and runs each test in a coordinated sequence. Every finding is analyzed, prioritized, and translated into clear, actionable insights. At the end of every scan, a professional report is generated instantly. It includes an executive summary, detailed findings, and step-by-step guidance to help your team resolve issues quickly and confidently. And if you're not ready for the full enterprise suite, you can still get started today. The Excelitte AI Robotic Penetration Tester is available for free in our SaaS version, perfect for individuals, small teams, or anyone wanting to strengthen their security posture. Ready to experience AI-powered security testing for yourself? Sign up today and start scanning your domains for free at pentester.excelitte.com.